Biondo Cement has been hard at work to provide industry-leading designs and outstanding quality finishes when it comes to exposed aggregate and stamped concrete patios, driveways, and walkways. We invite you to come visit our design gallery and be inspired by our many custom colors, patterns, and decorative accents. You will receive personal attention from our talented and friendly staff. Your home is unique, and we understand what it takes to create your signature look. Our experts will skillfully navigate you through the entire design process. We will then review all the selections to ensure that you are comfortable with the style, color, and features that will make up your new project. We have designed this space to offer our customers the most comprehensive and exciting selection process in the industry. You are able to experience and choose from our extensive selection of custom and beautiful finishes, colors, stains, lighting, and decorative accents. We are also excited to offer our customers beautiful custom 3D patio designs. Our in-house designer will work with you to create an amazing patio design, which will be displayed with your home. This helps our customers visualize their projects prior to installation. Come visit our showroom on 23 Mile Road in Shelby Township today and check out everything we have to offer. We hope to see you soon.